I'm Eric from Fielding Tree Care. I'm one of our certified sales arborists on staff. And I'm here today to talk about the recommendations and reasons why we do pruning on a job site or for clients as it comes up. And over here to the side is a purple autumn ash or autumn purple ash. It's a very common species of ash tree in the Denver metro that needs general cleanup from time to time. We recommend pruning these trees predominantly to avert storm damage in spring snowstorms and again in fall snowstorms. As a species, purple autumn ash is relatively immune to those damages. They leaf out relatively late and they're pretty strong. It's still a necessity. The goal of a pruning operation would be to remove dead twigs, usually down to like 1/2 inch, maybe 1 inch diameter. That's stuff about the size of your finger. And then also occasional thinning cuts if there's an interest from the client's perspective to get light penetration. If this had been real turf, this would be a perfect example. It's a too shaded area. Maybe they want some more sun on their grass. But otherwise, we actually do reductions on branch ends, mostly to improve optimal crown structure and a single central leader for basically just best shape going forward. Recommend it for pretty much any kind of tree that someone has in Denver. We got maples, we have honey locust, purple autumn ash, green ash, elms. So if you could, please give us a call. Our number is 303-667-5004, and we'll have one of our office staff set you up with an estimate.